And welcome to Porter's Pantry. When the cycle is finished after 2 minutes, you open it up, take everything out, put it above to put them all away, and when you have finished all the washes for the day, firstly you remove this thing out the middle here, which is called an overflow, close it up, move it round to there, and then press the button again, and it will drain everything out. Then finally, when it's all done, you put the overflow back in. Listen, put that to 0, close it all up, and switch off the switch.